Rentals help you manage bookable inventory, such as equipment or vehicles. Unlike traditional appointment scheduling, they are designed for duration-based, inventory-driven bookings, helping you expand your product management. Let's learn how they work. Whether you rent by the hour, day, week, or month, this new section gives you the flexibility to model your real-world business accurately in the CRM. Since listing works differently, their view is a bit different as well. It contains a breakdown of all bookings for your available listings, including an expandable view for variants. This tab helps you control the way listings are managed as a whole. This contains settings for bookings, the booking page, payments, and notifications. To help you effectively track your availability, you can create rental listings and manage customer bookings this way. Let's learn how. To get started, access your calendar settings inside your Calendar section. Once inside the Calendar settings, head to the Rentals tab. Locate the Plus New Listing button in the upper right corner of the page and click it. Fill out the details of your rental product listing. This intuitive tool will help you expand into new verticals like vacation, vehicle, and equipment rentals, event businesses, co-working spaces, and mobility services. We hope you enjoy it.